Hi, Arav.
Good evening.
Hi, Monica.
Hi,
Hi,
sir.
Vijay.
Hi, sir.
So what's special about today?
Nothing, just my father just logged in.
Oh, okay. You forgot what is today, Arav. Suman Santosh
Jolly
might.
day.
Yeah, today is a jolly day, right?
Yes, sir.
Friday is a jolly. Yeah, Friday is jolly day for all software engineers. When you grow up big, you also have Saturday and Sundays, 2 days holidays. Oh, nice, Revati. Your drawing is very nice.
In Singapore, I also have Saturday and Sunday off.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Friday, jolly day.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, today
Yes. Good
no.
evening, Mitra.
Sir, today no new learning things.
Yeah, I'm going to explain today. Okay, today we'll learn some new things.
Sir,
Okay.
you said yesterday, today we are not going to learn anything but focusing on the group.
Yeah. No, actually, Mitra, you see, if we don't learn anything new, right, we'll fall behind. Okay. So, anyways,
But
not much.
Philip
We'll
Films
learn.
guy should come, right?
Yeah, we will learn. Whatever,
Also,
that comes up.
Okay, sir.
yesterday you told me to search something, then present it today. I
Oh,
searched it out.
okay.
Yeah.
You have something to show?
Yeah. Can I hear?
Okay. Yeah.
Sir?
I'm going to give access to Srujan. So let Srujan start first. Okay.
Yeah, it's like regarding Keaton's question. I researched.
Yes.
Sir, Srihi is new to this class.
Yeah, Tejasvi.
No, sir,
Somebody.
Abhijit.
Yeah, Abhijit. Yeah,
Srihi is new to this class.
who's Srihi? What's his name?
Srihi.
Srihi. Yeah. Hi, Srihi. Yeah, Srihi. Mostly, you will not
Good evening,
understand
sir.
anything today. Mostly, you will not
Okay.
understand, much today. But what I suggest is, so Srujan is going to tell you what exactly the newcomers has to do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'll make him host. Yeah. Srujan, you are the
Okay.
host now. Yeah, you are the host now, and you tell Srihi
Share
is,
screen. Huh?
yeah. You can share your screen.
No, this is actually the code regarding the Keaton's question yesterday. How do you make the highlighted text as the notification as the alert function?
You're not sharing, Srujan. We are not seeing any your screen.
Yeah, I didn't share yet.
Yeah, you share, and then before that, right? You explain, what newcomers has to do. So Srihi is new, right? So you just show him on Chrome browser.
Okay,
What?
hello, welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello. Hello. Welcome. I guess if you miss any classes, it's on YouTube. The class are recorded and they're on YouTube. Just search code Sapient on YouTube. You can get all the notifications if you subscribe and type on the bell icon.
Yeah,
Touch the bell icon.
Yeah, open the site and show him.
Sir, could he talk slowly?
Okay.
Yeah, Srihi, just
This is the demonstration code. I just opened it.
Okay. Yeah. No,
Sir,
before
he's talking fastly. I'm not able to understand it. Could he
Yes,
talk
sir.
slowly?
He like something.
Okay, wait. Okay, listen, Arav and Mitra. So, see, you should not interrupt. Okay, you should not interrupt when somebody is talking. Okay, you have to raise your hand, raise your hands and then talk. Fine, yeah.
This is the code Sapient. This is the code Sapient thing. I subscribe. Like just type on the bell icon to touch on the bell icon to so get notifications when there's a new video that's uploaded. Yeah, these are all the lessons.
Yeah, Shrihi, this is our YouTube channel. Okay, you have to type in code Sapient, and then you can find all our classes there. So you have to start from lesson 1. Yeah, lesson 1.
And this is the playlist. This is the playlist. Yeah.
Yeah. So we have added the playlist also. You can start from lesson 1. You can see all the classes until now. Okay.
So I'll demonstrate the code.
Yeah.
I'll demonstrate the code regarding. This is the code regarding Keaton's question yesterday. So I've basically added a new variable called selection. So it's the selection is called the text area value. Then it's the substring, which I learned from. This is from Stack Overflow. I searched on Stack Overflow.
Yes.
So
Good.
then I alert selection. Yeah. Then yeah. That's if you run the code, it's like this. So I'll just demonstrate it first. Open a new tab first. I've opened this new tab. Demo. I just want to type it. So please don't. Yeah, so it says like this. I mean, I'll just have to select it, and I just have to select this thing, and I think it says demo.
Yeah, you understood, right?
Yeah. It also, since I also added another function, I created another text area. So whenever I select it and I press the button, the same text will appear on the second text area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see, it's like if you can see this is sorted. So I just I'll select now that switch in, and I'll come in again.
Okay, cool. Good, fantastic, Srijan.
Yeah, thank you.
See, everybody, you understood, right? So
No, sir.
Aro.
Sir, can you explain substring?
Okay. So yeah, let me share my screen. Okay. Okay, one second.
So I'm not able to see go to participants.
Yeah. Wait a second. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Let's disable the annotation.
Yes. Yeah. Before that, I'll just stop everything, disable annotations, and then I'll clear off if any. Okay. Yeah. So yesterday, there was a question from Ketan. You all understood, right? The question is, so whenever on the page, let me open the class first. Okay. Let me open one of the page here. So there is a this is like there is a text inside, right? So inside this text, whatever text you are going to select, right? So only that select has to appear. That was our that was Ketan asked whether we can display the selected text alone. So yes, we can display. So it's like what is that function, Srijan? Select from, right? Select start, right? Select start from, and then select end, right?
Hello? Yeah.
Srijan?
Yes, it is. It is actually substring text area selection start. Yeah, selection start.
Okay,
Then
selection start and selection end, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So that was the question, like so where the selection has started and where the selection has ended. So it will capture that part. Okay. So that can be done using the JavaScript. I'm going to explain it. Okay. I'm going to explain it. Before that, let me start the class. Okay. So I'll show the slides while doing the program. You remind me. I'll explain that part also. Okay. Yeah. See here. Yeah. Today we are almost 34th class today. Okay. So I want to help you all with some more shortcuts. So shortcut keys, right? So
Yes,
on the page. So
Yes, sir.
we will do the same similar shortcuts. So what is
F5 reset.
correct? You see Notepad plus plus. Whenever you press Alt key, right? Yeah. Whenever you press Alt key, so there'll be an underline with for all the menu items, right? So
Yes.
so
Yes, sir.
shortcut, you have to press Alt and the underlined character. Then it will show
Okay,
the
sir.
menu. It will show that it will actually open that menu item. Okay. Similarly,
Sir, even in browser, there's F11 for going for full screen.
oh yeah, that is for full screen mode. That is provided by the operating
That's
system.
what I said.
Yeah, that's provided by the operating system. Okay,
sir.
browser's feature. So what we usually do is for access keys, right? Okay, we will be learning. Okay, today's agenda is we'll do the revision whatever we learned yesterday, and then we'll learn about the access keys, and then we'll see if we can discuss about the projects. And then HTML events, I will postpone it to Monday. Okay, because if we start explaining this one, right, it is going to take a lot of time. Okay, something in this class we have to learn something, so that's why this comes into picture.
But can you make it a little fast because I have another class
Oh, okay. What time is it?
in 6.
What time is it? 6 o'clock, right? So what I suggest
Yes,
is,
sir.
so if we'll try to complete it soon, okay? If you can't make it, right, you can exit from the group, and then later you can watch it on YouTube, okay?
So can you inform me whenever you
Yeah.
when you put it in the
Yeah, sure.
You
YouTube?
get notification when you subscribe.
Yeah. So tomorrow.
I already subscribed.
Yeah, today's class, tomorrow it will be there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Yeah. Let's get into the next slide. Okay, I'm going to revision now. Okay, let's do the revision part. What we learned yesterday. So can Arav, can you say this dash field is used to define a single line text?
Text box.
Perfect. So text box is the single line input capturing from the user. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
put in slide 2.
yeah. Now Mitra, can you answer the second question?
Yes, sir.
Read and
Dash
answer.
field is used to define the multi-line text. The field, sir.
Yeah, which field is that to access multi-line text?
It is it is
Okay,
text area.
I'll pass it to Tejasvi. Tejasvi, second question to you.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, which question we are in?
Second question to Tejasvi. Okay, Tejasvi is not there. Pass it to Brinda. What is the second question? Brinda? Brinda, what is the answer for the second question?
So shall I answer?
Okay.
So it's a text box.
Second question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, text box is the wrong answer. So I'll pass it to Brinda. Are you there? Okay, I'll pass it to Jashwant. No, wait, Jashwant. We'll pass it to Monica. Okay, fine. You are right. Text area is the input field to define the multi-line text. So whenever you want to capture multi-lines, right, from the user, so you will capture it using the text area input field. Okay. Now, Monica, the last question is for you.
Yeah, sir. Sir, details.
Dash or some of the attributes of multi-line text field.
Yeah, sir. Details.
No, details is not the right answer.
So for keeping
can I tell, sir? Can I tell it's Mitra?
Mitra,
Rows called name
Mitra,
ID.
Sir, it's summary.
Okay, I'll pass it to Revati. Revati,
Sir,
for
is
you.
it summary?
No. Let's pass
Sir,
it to Revati.
can I tell?
No, let's pass to Revati. Let Revati answer. Okay, Revati also not there. Yeah.
So can I tell?
Sir, rows and column ID and name.
Ketan, it's to you.
Name, ID, rows, calls.
Correct. So the attributes are name, ID, and calls, COLS, calls, and rows, ROWS.
Event style, sir. Style, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I told before only.
Yes, style also. See, you should raise your hand, Arav. You cannot, say directly so that, if everybody starts talking, right, then, it confuses everyone, right?
Sir,
So
I don't know how to raise my hand, but.
Okay, I'll pick, I'll pick the person, okay? I'll pick the person. You already got, Arav, that's why, I asked you the first question. You already got the first question, right? So I have to pass it to others, okay? I have to pass it to others. If somebody doesn't answer, then I'll pass it back to you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So everybody must get a chance. Everybody must get a chance. Okay. Yeah. Actually, I just remembered, we forgot to take the mock interviews. So nobody are ready to take up, or anybody can volunteer next week.
Sir, actually, I was absent last 2 weeks ago. So
Yeah, Tejas, I'm seeing it actually. So I suggest, you watch the YouTube videos, okay? Watch the YouTube
sir, can you
videos.
just tell me what codes have you learned last 2 weeks ago?
Okay, I'll prepare the slide on Monday. Okay, I'll send you the summary slide. Okay, that would help you.
Sure, sir.
Okay, yeah. Yes, we'll go to the access keys. Let's go to the access keys. Okay, we'll learn about the access key. What is this access key? So access key is nothing but it's an attribute. Okay, attribute of a tag, input tag. So where we specify, to alert the user to use the shortcut key. So every time, user don't want to go use the mouse and then go to that field and then type the characters. So many of the users, right, they are comfortable in using only the keyboard. So they don't want to use mouse at all. So in that scenario, right, what they do, they just use Alt and the shortcut key that is mentioned in the access key attribute. Okay. So as a single example is anchor tag. So whenever there is an anchor tag, you can use access key to that, and then
Yes, sir, we learned it.
Yeah, use Alt key and then press the J. Then the control goes to that field. Okay, the field will become active, and this differs. The access key differs with the browser. Okay, some browsers use Alt key, and I think Firefox uses Alt Shift and then shortcut key. Okay, you remember that? Yes. Now let's get into the code.
So if you press the J key and then it will go to the link, sir.
Yeah, I'll show you here. You can see actually what exactly is happening. So in the 34, yes, class 34.html. So here I want to take an example of let's try with yesterday's example. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's take yesterday's code and then give shortcut keys for that. Okay. And then I'm going to take out 33, 32. And then here, I don't want to give any JavaScripting in this class. So I'll take out all this part, okay? Okay, I'll just take out everything other than this part, okay? And
So
then,
is that also needed?
what is that?
So is that one all the thing which you didn't remove is needed for this tag?
Yeah, whatever is needed, right? I'll explain actually. You can see. I don't want to, confuse you actually. That's why I'll take the existing code. So you just have to. This code you have seen yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm not doing anything. I'm just reusing the same code and then removing the unwanted text here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let's see here. We have 3 functions here: my change event, my focus event, my blur event, right? So there should be my change event, my focus event, my blur event. Okay, then this looks good. So instead of registration form, we'll just make it as login form and see how it is looking now. Okay, how to see? Go to our folder. Okay, let's go to,
Double click.
yes, we'll go to 34 lesson folder and then we'll double click on this. Yes, we have got this one, right? So now
Yes.
what we need to do? We
So
have to
forgot
use
to
the
keep
shortcut
submit
key.
button.
Yeah, right. You are right. So anyways, button we don't need. We are learning this one, right? So let's just give access key here. First access key, ACCES access key. You see, first access key, I'm going to give it as L. Okay. And second access key, second is a password, right? So for this password, I'm going to give access key as password P. Okay, let's save this. Okay, I'm saving this, going here, and then I'm refreshing this one. Okay, I'm refreshing this one, and then what I should press? Alt L. Alt L, it's going there. Alt P, it's going.
Alt P, it's not coming, sir.
Yeah, Alt P, it's Alt P because it's a password field, right? So, but still,
use anchor tag.
no, once again.
Alt
X. Anchor tag.
Yeah, we can use all. You can use anything actually.
Sir.
Yeah, password field it is not working. So let's change it to anchor
What
tag.
happens?
Let's make it anchor tag here. Okay. Class 34, right? So instead of class 34, I wanted previous classes, double quotes, and then I'm going to give 33. Okay, 33
So
lesson.
we can go to any class, sir, with this.
Yeah. You can go anywhere.
Awesome then.
Okay, I'm going to give it here. And then I'm going to close this
thing.
Yeah. So href is done, and then I have to give ending tag also, right? So this is the ending tag. This is a starting tag, and this is an ending tag. And there is a BR. So let's save this and then refresh. Okay, there is no anchor tag displayed because there is no content here. Please click here to go to class 33.
Class 33.
Okay, and we don't need any label here,
Label.
right? So yeah, we don't need any label. Let's go here. So you see, did you see the change? What is happening?
Yes, sir. So we
I'm just
actually
see. I kept the mouse here. Okay, I kept the mouse here. I'm using my keyboard only. Alt L. If I press Alt L, it goes there. Okay, and if I press Alt X, it goes to directly. It goes directly to previous. It actually taken the click event also. So it clicked on it and then it went back to that page. Yes, Abhijit.
Sir, but there is no little bit line below of L.
Okay, well, let me understand. Okay, what is that? What is that, Abhijit?
There is no little bit of line below L.
Oh, okay. Okay. So in the HTML, right, it doesn't show up actually. In the HTML, it's all, we provide the shortcut keys only, but it's not highlighted. It will not be highlighted. So if you want it to be highlighted, right, you can use a special code to highlight this part. Like, login ID is there, right? So let's go to login ID and then you can actually use a separate tag here. What tag we have to use to underline?
U tag.
Yes, correct. So you have to go here and then use the U tag. And then.
So why did you type L over there?
See, it's here. You see, for L there is a. So L there is an underline here for L, right? So people will understand, the user, whoever are there on this page, right? They will immediately understand, oh, this field has got a shortcut key as L. So Alt and L, it goes there directly. Okay, for this you want to make it something
What
special.
if you just press L, sir? Will it work if you just press L?
No,
You
it
have
will
to
not. It will not
underline.
happen. See, L, simply pressing L, it will not happen anything. You have to press with Alt, and then L. Then it goes to that field, input field. This
Okay,
is a new
sir.
thing, right? We are learning this new thing today, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So remember this, okay? Whenever you are trying to do a new page, right? Like, Ketan is preparing the login form, right? Ketan's team, Srujan, Ketan, and Jashwant, right? Yeah. So you start using this keyword, shortcut keys, okay? Access keys. So when you start using it, then only, you'll be learning more, and then, you are providing more features to the users. Okay.
It
Yes.
will be even easier for the user if he or
It's
she
interesting.
Yeah, that's quite
keyboard
interesting. Yeah.
and
Correct,
everything.
Mitra. So instead of here, let me make it as P, okay? Instead of X, I want to make it as P, okay? You can try this shortcut key for many of the input fields, okay? Whatever input
Sir,
Sir,
we
fields.
what
can
if two
actually,
input fields have the same access key, or how will that come, sir?
Yeah, here comes, this is a good question. So what you need to try, do when you get these kind of ideas?
Right on our own.
Yeah, you have to try on your own first. And then when you try on your own, you will learn actually, you will learn. So when
What is
that's
that,
how,
sir?
yeah, that's how you have to learn. Okay, what he's saying is, suppose if there is a same event like this, means there is a shortcut key for both actually, L and L for two different fields. Like this one can be, we can name it as, age or something. So if there are two shortcut keys, which one it will go? So that's what his question is. So I want you
Karthik, I
to
drew
try
that.
actually.
So the last one is going,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. See. So these kind of things, right? You'll get it in assessments. So when I start asking the questions, right? So you should be able to, answer all these things. You should know, like,
Sir,
you
do
were,
you know why only the last will go?
yeah. It's like, it has already processed. So final line of the statement, it is trying to execute. It's like that.
Yes,
It
sir.
depends actually how we just have to see, like, how the behavior is, and accordingly we have to make changes. Okay. Yeah. Actually, whenever you are doing a program, right, your brain should be a compiler. Okay. Note down this point. Compiler. Compiler is the new term you are learning today. You know what does compiler means? So whenever,
Sir, it converts this language into zeros and ones.
yeah. So whenever, what I usually do is, whenever I write a code here, right, my brain is processing, okay, what happens with this form? Whenever I type this line, what is happening? And then what this label tag does. So immediately I write the label tag, right? So I know actually, that's why, have you seen from the first class, I did not do many mistakes actually, right? So as soon as I write the code, it's working immediately, right? Because your brain should act as a compiler. Your brain should know what code you are writing, and brain knows, like, how the output will be. Okay, you should also practice like that. Okay, when you practice it, you'll come to know a lot of things. So usually I do this actually. I do practice a lot.
Sir, can you tell the spelling of compiler?
COMPILER. Compiler.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, compiler is something like, processed. When you want to process something, yeah, the output, it's like, output code. So this is normal English, right? So this normal English, how the computer will understand. So when this code gets compiled, right? So then, that's the computer will understand. Okay, fine. Now let's get into the next slide. Okay, what's our next slide?
Sir, events.
What is our next slide? Yeah, form events. Form events, I'll start again on Monday. Okay, I don't want to waste time again on learning. You already learnt access keys.
Sir,
Practice
can
those
we
access keys.
discuss about the groups?
Sir, can we discuss about the projects, sir?
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
So farm events, I'll take it on Monday, and then we'll talk about the projects. Okay.
Sir.
And then, yeah, this life cycle, I'm going to explain it to you later. Okay, not now. Our next mission
Sir, I
is
have doubt.
you have to start working on the projects. Okay. Now I want you all, I don't want you all to work on the project already. Okay. I want you all to understand and then, collect all the information required to execute the project. I want you all to do that. Note it down anywhere. Don't straight
So
away
what
get into
project?
the code. Teachers, we have actually formed some teams actually. So
Sir, I think the Tejas is not in
Tasks.
any group, sir.
oh yeah, Tejas is not in a team, right? Okay, I'll
You can put them in team D and you can split the team D into two
yeah,
parts.
let me see here. Okay, before this, right? Let's see who is there in the yeah. Here I'm going to add Tejas. Okay. Okay, here I'm going to add Tejas. Tejas, you have to work with Monica and Tanish. Okay.
So
Okay,
then
sir.
what about Tejasvi?
And your project will be an automobile shop. You have to design an automobile shop screen. Okay. And here Tejasvi will be here.
Automobiles.
Yeah, Tejasvi will be in this group actually, Team E. Tejasvi will be moving to Team E, and then Jashwant, Ketan, and Srujan. So first objective, first milestone for okay. Let me open the slide. Okay, these are all the projects. Okay, assigned to all of you. So Team A has to design a login page. Okay, Team B has to design a photo gallery. Team C has to design a video gallery, and Team D has to design an automobile shop. Team E has to design an ice cream shop. Okay, I want only the design part. Okay, if even if the functionality is not 100% complete, right? You have to
So,
slowly learn to complete the code. Okay, I'll be validating whatever you have done for this. Okay, I want you all to prepare the
what
plan.
does validating mean?
Validating means I will go through the code actually. Whatever code you have written, right? I'll go through the code and I will see whether it is correct or not.
Okay.
Okay. And
Sir?
I want to carry out certain percentage of marks. Not for this actually. Not for this. This one is only for learning. Your learning purpose. So after this, right? Once you are all complete with the project and the classes that I am telling now, right? Whatever classes are all completed. So it will take another 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, within 1 or 2 weeks, I'll be completing all my classes, and then you'll start working on this project. After this
Sir,
project,
these projects, are they for the website which we are creating?
not this one actually, not this one. I will actually that's why I'm telling. So this is only for practice. These 5 projects are only for your
This
practice.
is a trial project. Trial.
Yes, correct. So once you do
Sir,
this, right?
Sir?
Yes, Tejas.
Sir, actually, I'm not going to come at Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday and Thursday.
Yeah, it's okay, Tejas. It's okay for now, right? Anyways,
I actually have exams.
Yeah, okay. You attend the exams. Right now, we are all in planning stage. Ketan's team, and then Suman Santosh team, so Monica's team, Revati's
Sir,
team
we didn't.
Yes,
are
sir.
all in planning
Sir,
stage. Yes, Rujan.
sir, we already.
Sir, actually in our web page the
Yeah.
JavaScript was not working,
Yeah,
so we started again from beginning, sir.
We started again from scratch. We actually completed it first, but then we had some issues with the JavaScript folder. Then after that, that's why we started it yesterday when me and Ketan were discussing.
Yeah, Srujan, see, for your team, right? Your project is going to be from the beginning, right? So what I want you all is first prepare a plan, and then the plan should be something like I told you, right? The 8 points, 9 points. So I want something like that. Okay, let me You open a document, okay?
Sir, you
So
sent
you
a document in the WhatsApp group, no sir. I saved it.
okay? Yeah. Here, what I want is I want team structure. Okay, your team structure I want, and then tasks in the project. What are the tasks in
So,
the project? So it can be it can be something like these are all high level items. Okay, team structure you'll be having, and then there'll be tasks, right? So here for these tasks, T1 you can just I'm just giving you some high level idea. Okay, T1, T2, T3, something like this. Okay, I'm just giving you some sample. Okay, now estimations. So estimations
Sir,
is yeah.
sir, you told to me you explain. You can explain
Yes,
day
Abhijit.
after. Yesterday, I told to explain estimations and
Hmm.
some other, no, sir.
Okay, okay. Estimations, like you see here. Estimations is nothing but T1 is the right T1. How many days it's going to take? How many man days? T2. How many man days it's going to take? Something like this. These are all estimations. Okay. The whole thing is this document is a plan, project plan. So you have to name this whole document as project plan.
project.
Yeah,
What
this
is
bold.
mandate, sir?
Okay, Mandays, Ketan will answer you. He already understood this one last time. Ketan, you answer him.
8 hours in a day is called a man day.
Thank you.
Okay, Abhijit, you understood, right? So one man day is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours. So suppose if you are going to take T1 task for 5 days, right? It means like 5 into 8 is 40 hours. So one man day is 8 hours. Okay.
But that means one day
So,
will
what
take
is documentation?
Documentation is nothing but whatever I am preparing now, right? It is a document. So I'm preparing the task one. Suppose I'll give here documentation. Okay, T1. You write T1, right? See here. 1 second, Brinda. Let me explain documentation for T1. So this task is for validations. So we have to okay, instead of we, the login fields are to be validated against the rules. So whatever content you are making, right, this is all the documentation. So all these contents together is a documentation. When you submit this document to me, right, I will come to know, okay, who are all working in this project and how many tasks are there in this project, and each task is going to take how many. And then here you have to give the once estimations is done, timeline. So what timeline is nothing but I have given you already. So how timeline is this one. You see, it is a project plan. Yeah, this is the timeline, right? So this is the
Yes, sir.
timeline, right? So you can give timeline here. You understood, right?
Okay, sir. Then, what is mean by deployment?
Yeah, deployment for you can ignore actually. Deployment, you don't need anything. I want this kind of document, okay? This kind of document for me to see, like whether you are able, you can or you have already captured all the details or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, actually we are less than 1 minute now, so we'll disconnect the call and we'll come back again. Brinda, I'll talk to you after the call, after the break.
Yes.
Yeah, after the break.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Yeah, we'll come back again.
Bye, sir.
Okay, we had 5 minutes break. So anybody did any exercises?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many jumping jacks, sir?
Sir, 50 jumping jacks, 50 push-ups, 5 rounds of walking, 10 kicks, and 10 sit-ups.
Very good. So you have to
Sir, how
practice.
can we do so much in 5 minutes, sir?
Did you do?
Sir, I didn't do walking, I did running.
Okay. Good. Yeah. You all must do that. Okay. Every day you must do exercise.
How did you do so fast?
I did it so fast because it was easy. I did some push-ups very fast.
See, I'll
Like
tell you
this.
one thing.
Okay.
When you do exercise, right, you'll get the sweating, right? You'll get the sweating, right? So that is the starting point of burning your calories. So when it starts sweating, from that point you have to do more exercises. Then the body will actually burn the calories from that time onwards. Just a
And I
tip
have
for you all.
karate class tomorrow at least.
Yeah. That's okay. Arav. Fine. Let's get
Today
into
I
the class.
had sir, today I had my English exam.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, good. How did you write?
Sir, me too.
Sir, it was nice.
Okay, cool, good. So practice, don't disturb your exams. Okay, whenever exams are there, you know what to do, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, all the classes are there on YouTube. So you have to, find some time and then go and watch the YouTube after your exams. Okay. Yeah.
After all the exams, they can just watch the
Sir?
videos.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah, Ketan.
sir, this is Monica,
After
sir.
Yeah, Monica.
completing full exams, they might
Sir,
do
can you ask Tejas to give his number in the chat box, sir?
Okay, Tejas.
To message
Sir,
him.
the chat is disabled already.
Okay, no. Is it? Let me check.
Yes, sir. From that day when you disabled from every day, it's coming like
Oh
that.
yeah, correct. You are right. I disabled the chat from here. Correct. So no one. I said no one. So okay. I will enable now. Yeah, I enabled just now. Tejas, you can provide your number to Monica. Okay, you three can discuss. Okay, Monica, you see, Tejas is having exams for next 3 to 4 days. Okay.
Yeah, sir, I
Yeah,
will.
you just manage.
I'll
See,
help you.
next week I want project plan. So you know what is project plan, right? This
Yeah,
is the
sir.
project plan. You see, whatever contents are there in this document, right? It is a project plan. Like, as soon as I see the task, I should know like, okay, how many people are working and what are all the tasks involved in it and what is the, estimations for each task and timeline, when you are going to start and when you are going to end. Okay, and what is the testing part? So if you have any testing, right, you can give some yeah, testing also. Okay, fine. So this is the project plan. I want this document to be sent by you all from Monday. So I want this document by next week. Okay, so you take your time and prepare the document. Okay,
Can
Sir,
it
I
be
will do it.
I don't want you all to do the coding first. Coding don't start. Okay, don't start the coding. First, planning is important. Whenever you do something, right, you have to plan. So once you plan, then you have everything in your mind. The picture will be clear in your mind, and then the plan should start from there. So when you exactly start working on the project, right? So based on the timeline, you have to follow, like, first day, what you have to do, planning, exploring the Google, only these two items. When you start from the first day, right? So these two things should be there, planning and exploring Google. Okay. And second day starts with the estimations, something like that. I just gave this as an example. Okay. This is not final. Whatever I gave, right? This part, timeline part is, based on my understanding. Okay. So you have to prepare according to your tasks. Okay. And I did not get any of the questions from you all, like, you have this project, right? So this is the, where is the, okay, I missed out. Okay, this is the project. So you all have this project, and I gave clear instructions to team one only. Team one have all the clear instructions, like, what kind of validations, how many characters, what all the events to be there and all. But the remaining 4 teams never came up with any questions. So I just gave like, design an image gallery. So I thought like, you all will ask me questions, lot of questions like, sir, this image gallery means how does it look like? What details you want me to show? So can you please?
Sir, if you give the like what to say this
I
this
just give.
validations and all, no sir. So the web page will be more like your expectation. If you don't give, it might be something different.
Yeah. Actually, no, I need some questions from teams actually. If they ask me questions, right, then I would be, giving them a lot of answers. Because, that's how you have to start, the thinking, when you start thinking about the image gallery, right, you need to understand what is image gallery. You have to Google and then see what is image gallery. And then try to find some sample image gallery websites. So how the websites are looking like. So you can capture all the small pieces, put it in one document and send me that. Sir, I captured this part as an image gallery. Is this what you are looking at? You have to ask me. So if you want me to give, I can give you. I can prepare the document and send it to all of you. So you tell me you want to ask questions to me, or you will prepare on your own first basic version and give it to me, and then I will give you my comments on that. So how you want it to be? I thought like, you will ask me so many questions for these 4, at least for these 4 projects. Because, first project I gave full information on the first project. So what about this Harshini, Revati, Aditya, Suman, Santosh, Arav, Mitra? You tell me how you want it to be. You want to ask me questions, or you want me to give like, how it the full project itself directly?
No, sir, I don't have any questions.
Okay. Okay, then the next question comes like, how do you want to design the video gallery, Arav?
Sir, the video gallery should be like once we press it, it should become big.
See, here you need to understand it's not as simple as that. See, for you, I am the customer. I requested for a video gallery, right? You have to be, being a developer, you will be working on this project, you have to impress me. Right? Being I'm the customer, and then you have to, come up with many designs and then give me like, okay, sir, I have got these kind of, 3 to 4 versions of video gallery. Which one do you like? How you want it to be? So you should understand that part. You should, impress your customer, right? So otherwise, customer, how can he give the other project? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to think and then come up with questions and then put a small, sample website, sample screenshot, or, take a picture or anything, to search Google. You have to Google many times. Okay. Once you Google, you'll come to know like, there will be many video galleries and you have to come up with the template, copy that part, send it in, prepare it in the document. Project plan is there, right? Put it in the project plan. Okay, in the project plan, I missed out one part. Like here, you see, here before estimations and then timeline is there, right? Sorry. Here you need to put wireframes. You know what is wireframes? Wireframe is nothing. Yeah, wireframe is nothing but screenshots. Okay, here let me put wireframes are nothing but screenshots or images or drawings and all. So I want these kind of steps in the document. Okay, like how your project is going to look like. So I want some screenshot and all. So once you give this document, I am the customer for all of you, right? So I will see whether your solution is according to my requirements or not, according to whether it is going to impress me or not. Then I will tell you. Okay. If I
then
say
only we have to start.
yes, Ketan.
Sir, after you tell only we have to start, no, sir?
Yes, yes, you should not start the code immediately. That's what I mentioned in the Excel sheet. You see here, what is the first phase of the project? Project initiation. Project initiation is nothing but customer has to give a sign off. Okay, guys, I'm impressed with your project plan. Please go ahead and start the project. I have to give that sign off. When I give that sign off, from that point of time, the project will be started officially. Okay.
Yeah.
You try to understand, digest whatever I said till now. Like I need a project plan with all the details, like what are all the validations, what all the events will be there, what will be the screenshots, how does the output look like. You can just take the pictures or some kind of drawing, so that I will see those project plans. I'll be getting 5 project plans, right? I will see, okay, out of these 5 I see, like, okay, Aro's project plan is good, video gallery. Okay, I'll ask Aro's team to build build the project. So I will be officially giving them the sign off. Please go ahead and start making the video gallery project. Then from that point of time, so Aro's team will start working on the video gallery.
So what if you're not impressed with the design, sir?
Okay, I will give the comments. I will give the comments, and then I will ask you all to make some changes. Understood, right?
But I don't know what to do on CSS styles itself.
Yeah, I will be telling in the classes, Aro, right? CSS styles.
Cycle, I know how to meet CSS styles. So HTML using style attribute or style tag.
Style attribute is okay. Aro, style for now, right? You think, like you plan, like you add the styles in the style tag. Okay.
Yes, sir, but I don't know what to do in the CSS styles.
Yeah, you have to explore. I'm giving you all the styles, right? Some basic style.
So you can even put it in some separate file, sir.
Yeah, that's also possible. That one I'll explain on Monday. Okay, I'll just make a note of it. I'll explain how to keep all the styles in one file. No, but Aro's point is, like he doesn't understand style properties. How many properties are there? So what property he has to use? All those things he doesn't understand.
I already know that I should do CSS style. Suman Santosh told me to do.
Yeah.
So, but I don't know what to do in the CSS styles.
Okay, don't do anything. You just have to learn now. This is learning phase is also there, right? I told you, like I need only the document, not the code. So in this document, if you come across, like, okay, you guys are lacking in the style sheet, so you have to go and then get some knowledge on CSS, how to use the CSS styles and all. Okay, you understood, right? Everybody understood, right?
Yes, sir.
First, I need the project plan like this. I'm going to send you this template. Okay, this is a small template, so I will save it and send you this document. Everybody I'll share it by WhatsApp group. You take this project and then start filling this form. Okay, and then you share me back. Then I'll come to know, okay, yes, this project is quite good. This project has got all the information they need. So there could be, like some projects, some items will be missing. So I will highlight those points. What is missing in this project plan and all. You prepare this one first. Okay, start preparing the project plan and share to me. I will see what is correct and what is wrong. I will reply back to that again. Okay, it's like mutual.
Can we share code also?
Code, I do not want the code right now. Okay, I want the plan, only the plan, how you want to implement that. Understood, right? Any questions?
Yes,
Any questions?
No.
So can anybody, Aro, tell me what I am a customer, right? So what I'm expecting from you all from next week?
The sample project plan.
Yes, not sample, your project plan. Whatever project that has been assigned for your team, right? For that project, you need to prepare a plan and then this document you have to share it to me. Okay. And here, right? So all these tasks, you'll be giving how many mandates, and suppose if you get like 50 mandates or 20 mandates, right? So you give like this, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, something like this. Or if you have 70 days, so 70 days you cannot fill it here, right? So what you do is week 1 like this, week 2 you can make it like this also. So
So
week
what if
1,
in 1 week you're going to do different things, sir?
week 2, yeah, something like this. Okay, what, Ketan?
Sir, in 1 week, if we are doing different things at different time, then how do we like explain it in the?
I didn't get, Ketan. Can you repeat again?
So now you're saying week 1, week 2, no, sir? Sir,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
week 1, suppose one day we are doing plan and other day we are exploring. Means how do we show that?
No, I'm telling like, it's suppose if the timeline, your timeline is like, 70 days. So 70 days means usually, week 1 will be planned, week 2 will be something like that. High level, you can give some high level only. Mostly, right, your number of days will be less than, 5 to 10 days only. Less than 10 days, I guess.
The
Mostly.
maximum 15 it will be, sir.
Yeah, 15, maximum 15 only. Because that's only single page designs I'm asking. So I'm not asking multiple. So single page designs only. So it would be less than 5 to 10 days only. Maximum 15 days. So you all understood, right? What I'm expecting. So you all have to prepare this plan and then share to me. Right? Yeah. Okay.
Can you mute all?
Somebody is shouting, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I think you're all well aware of what teams you are in. So Tejas, you will be in Monica's team. You understood, right, Tejas? So Monica, I'll share
Yes,
it.
sir.
I'll share you. Yeah, you share your contact in the group so that Monica will contact you.
Yeah, sir, he gave me the number
Yeah,
in
sure.
the chat box.
Fine. So next week I'll be expecting your project plans. Okay. Now,
Yeah,
not
sir.
so if you can take your time to prepare the project plan. It may be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, any day next week. Okay.
So, but you need it in the next week.
Yeah, next week, and you give me the timeline. Sir, I can give you on Monday. Sir, I can give you on Thursday. I can give you on Friday. So you know who will be your point of contact in your team, right? So team A,
Yes, sir.
Ketan is the point of contact. Team B, Revati or Rahu. Yeah, Harshini will be the point of
So
contact.
that is the one with the star, sir.
Yeah, correct. No, it's not team leader. It's like point of contact. We say them as new term. SPOC. We say them as a spoke. What do you mean by spoke? Single point of contact or single person of contact. Okay, so it means that whenever you are working in a project, right? So being in IT world, so what your boss will do is boss will talk to his subordinates only. He will not talk to all the people who are working down his level. So he will just talk. So in this structure, right? What I will do is I'll mostly try to talk with Ketan, Harshini, Abhijit, Monica, and Brinda about their project plans. Okay, and I will give chance to everyone to be a spokes. Okay, and everyone will get a chance to experience how the real life situation will be to whenever they get a role to play. Okay, you all will get a role to play like this. Yeah, that's it from my side. So we'll see you on Monday. Okay, happy weekend.
So you said that I will bring
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, so is there a class or a discussion on Saturday tomorrow?
You can what, Ketan? Repeat again.
Sir, is there like a discussion or a class on tomorrow?
No. Actually, you want to discuss anything, you just ping me offline. I'll give some of my time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Because yesterday we thought that
Okay, sir.
we will have something on Saturday. That's why I was asking.
Yeah. I don't want trouble you on Saturdays and Sundays also, because you have exams. You're doing other things also. So 1 hour in weekdays is fine for you all. Okay, that gives you actually to move slowly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you'll be gaining a lot of knowledge. Okay, you do 1 hour a day, you'll get a lot of knowledge. Do a long time. You need not be hurry in learning the things. Take your long pace. Okay, within that long pace, you become an expert. Once you become an expert, nobody can beat you. Okay, that's what I'm telling. When there are 10 people, you have been working on the same item for almost 3 to 4 months, and the other person has done in 1 month. It means that the person who has done for 3 months will have a good knowledge on the subject, right? So you'll be knowing all the the items of that technology. So that's what I want, actually, everyone to be perfect in their day-to-day activities whenever you start work, or whenever you are trying to do any work in particular area. Okay, yeah, that's it from my side. Yes, any questions?
Sir?
Yeah, Srihi. Okay, Srihi, I suggest you, okay, you start, Code Sapient. So I'll ask Abhijit to suggest. Abhijit, you send him the Code Sapient link, okay? So let him go through the classes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. We'll see you on Monday, okay? Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.